Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the camera IP address, port, and admin credentials. This is essential. Next, make sure the camera and your PC are on the same router or switch so discovery works. Once done, temporarily allow your viewing app through Windows Defender or open the camera port in your router. This prevents connection blocks. If your camera uses PoE, verify the switch provides power. These steps get you from zero to a visible device on the network fast. You now install the camera viewer. Use the vendor app or a universal OnVIF/NVR client. Open the app and choose Add Camera, then enter the IP, port, and login. That links the device. Make sure to select the correct stream, main for full resolution, substream for low bandwidth viewing. Once connected, adjust frame rate and resolution settings to match your network. If the app asks for RTSP, paste the camera's RTSP URL. That directly opens the live feed in most players. Finish by testing the live view and record a short clip to confirm recording works. Ensure the camera clock is synced via NTP and that your PC or NAS storage path has enough space. This avoids gaps. If the feed fails, don't panic. Ping the camera IP, check credentials, and confirm ports are correct. Also try a browser or VLC with the RTSP URL to isolate app issues. If one method works, make that your primary viewer and document the settings for later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.